Good morning, guys. So today we have a candidate which is Shakiroon. So she got placed from Qspiders. So let us have a word with her. So regarding her journey and her experience in Qspiders. So yes, good morning, Shakiroon.
Good morning.
So how are you?
I'm doing well.
Okay, super. So just explain us like about your background knowledge, whatever you came across in your educational qualifications.
Like basically, I have done my undergraduation in the stream of electronics and communication. So later I have tried for GATE, but I couldn't do that. So I have contacted few of my relatives. So they have, like one of my brother, he has done his software testing course in Qspiders facility. So he suggested me to do course here. So once after, if I get a train on a particular subject, so that I can be we can have a very good existence in the field. So he suggested me to get trained first. So he suggested to join Qspiders. So I have joined here in the month of July. Yeah, it's a great experience to get trained here.
Okay, so that means basically your brother has suggested you to join Qspiders.
Yes.
Okay, super. So how do you feel your experience, whatever you got in Qspiders regarding the training sessions, what you have, or else other extracurricular activities like presentations, grooming classes, or else the mock interviews which is conducted?
Yeah, it's very helpful. Like basically, I don't know anything about the programming and what is testing and everything. Like I have started from basics here. We can say like from the scratch. I don't know anything, but still I have very good knowledge on testing because of the training which the institute has provided, and like manual testing, like how the testing will be, how we are going to test the applications in and around the software testing. I have got a very good knowledge, and in Qspiders we have learned like about automation to like a Selenium, how it is useful, why we are doing that. So each and everything like helped me how the real world is existing with the software technologies. I have got a very good knowledge on that. And meanwhile, we'll be having presentations also, which is improving the communication and the confidence of a student. And during presentations, like we'll be getting our friends, like when we are presenting a particular topic, so our friends will be asking the doubts. So through that also we can improve our knowledge. So only the presentations, not only the presentations, so we had mocks also. So through which we had faced many questions on practical, like not only the questions given in the classes, apart from that how the interviews they will ask the questions, the practical, the scenario type. And we have written many scenarios also which help to crack the interviews, because the interviews they will not ask the direct questions. They'll ask only scenario based, and they'll ask us the applications what we have learned. So it helped a lot.
Okay, so can you tell me what is your, how many interview you have you attended till now?
Yes, sir. I have attended 4 interviews.
So you have cracked the fourth interview.
Yes, sir.
So how was your experience in the interviews?
Yeah, it was good. Like when we go there, like we'll be expecting okay this type of questions they will ask. But once we reach out there, then only we'll get to know what the interviewer is expecting from the candidate. So how we have to be prepared, and the knowledge we have, how we have to excel ourselves. We'll be stuck to a particular thing. Okay, till here only they'll ask. Only about this they will ask. But it's not about the subject what you have. It's all about the knowledge and interlink with the subjects whatever we are learning, how one subject is related to another, how we are comparing whatever we have learned through the to the technology which is evolved in the current generation, how the companies are relating our practical knowledge to their applications and requirements. So yeah, it's good.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to tell to your fellow friends and all regarding the interviews, or else regarding the skills what they need to possess?
Yes, like here Qspiders is providing the skills which are necessary to the SDET. So I suggest my friends like whatever here trainers they are guiding to follow them. And here like trainers and everyone they will be saying do presentations, but the students they will take like why to do presentations, what is there, it's just waste of time. So I suggest them to remove that type of thoughts from their minds, to do presentations regularly, so that if they are doing the presentations regularly, it will be so helpful. If even our interview has been scheduled tomorrow, so just I can revise today within 1 hour, so it will help us. And if they are prepared or not prepared, give them more. Because once we face the questions, then only we can know like at what we are, like at what level we are, like how much the knowledge we have been acquired, and still what we need to learn, where we have to explore and access to get the required things. So give the mocks and all those things, and whenever the friends they are asking about the doubts, just clarify them, because due to that also we will face many questions which we don't know. So we will explore on that, we'll Google, we'll get to know the extensive knowledge on that.
Okay, super. So I hope you're now happy with your placement, whatever you have got right now, correct?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is your company details for where you have got placed?
Yes, sir. Like the company name is Great Tip Software Private Limited.
Okay.
So basically, it will be dealing with the HR, like HR domain and the payrolls. So it was 3 rounds were there. So technical, managerial, and HR rounds. Everything they have asked, like the first round itself, like it was simple. Like I can say, like, from the manual SQL, Java, Selenium, interlinking questions they have asked. So it was good. Coming to the second round, they have asked like the concept with a real-time example. So it was like that. And coming to the third round, the last round, there I have mentioned. Even in Qspiders, we are getting a chance to explore the applications to test through crowd beta testing. So that experience I have put in my resume. So they have asked on the areas of interest and experience. So I explained what are the in which domains I have tested and what are the bugs I have found. And then they asked about the testing, and from then like I explained that. Then they asked about to give an example where you can perform all type of testings. So it's all about real-time thinking, how we are able to interrelate the concepts with the real-time applications.
Okay. So yes, what is your package that you have offered from the company?
It's 4 LPs.
Okay, super, super. So do you want to mention anything else extra?
It's a great platform to get trained on SDET, and here we can see very friendly trainers, mentors. And whenever we get a doubt, like many will think, oh, they are trainer. If I go and ask, they will not explain me. They will say others to get clarify with the doubt. It's not like that, because I'm the one who will be asking doubts regularly. Like I'll go to my answer. Like every time I'll be asking the doubts, but no one has got irritated with the doubts I'm asking. Like if they are leisure, for sure they are helping me. So never think, keep all the thoughts aside. And many will think that I'm from a different background, I may not get placed. So it's all up. It's not about the background, or it's not about the stream which you are. It's all about the knowledge which you are acquiring and your consistency. And whatever the knowledge you are acquiring, are you able to analyze that? Because without analyzing the concept, we cannot just go and tell the definition. Even though if I tell this definition, the next question they will ask for, like, give me an example. So until and unless I get a proper knowledge and I get how the things are working related to that with respect to the technologies and the software which we are going to face in the real world, then only we will be able to answer them. And it's all about the practical knowledge.
Okay, so I hope you achieve a great heights in your life as well as your job. So all the best.